Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can link and unlink accounts on twitch.tv. So if you want to unlink your account and you want to link another account to your Twitch account, you have come to the right place. So first we're going to open up our browser and then we're going to go on to twitch.tv and then we're going to come over here and we're going to click on our profile and then we're going to click on settings and then we're going to click on connections. And here you can see I have my Steam connected. I can disconnect that. I can connect YouTube. I can connect TikTok. I have my Twitter connected. I have these accounts connected as well. So if I click disconnect on those accounts, it will disconnect those accounts. Here I have these extensions connected. If I click on disconnect, it will disconnect those extensions on Twitch as well. And here I have my other accounts connected. You can see Discord, Call of Duty, WB Games. If I click on disconnect, it will disconnect those accounts as well. So there it is guys. If you found this video helpful, to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.